Alright guys, so I was working on this set of candlesticks, and I think that I broke my lathe. We got everything shaped up and I was sanding on pretty high RPMs. I think I had it set to the 2600 mark. It might have been up to that top one, but it started making this weird screeching sound, and the chuck actually came loose a little bit, which is super scary. So I tightened that down, and I was giving it a few turns to see what was going on, and I noticed that it's catching on this little stopper right here. You can see it wiggling. Oh, here, let's do it again. You can see it's getting caught on the inside. So when I look back here at the pulleys, the only thing I can think that's going on there, I think that might be a little better, is that this set of pulleys here got knocked crooked somehow. One thing that I notice is that if I take the tension off, so the belt is totally loose, there, it seems to be working just fine. The belt, excuse me, not the belt, the pulleys have some play in them now though. So I don't know if that just means I need to tighten that little guy right there, if it somehow came loose. But here we go. That's the only thing I can figure, and I don't know if it should be all the way to the left, all the way to the right, somewhere in the middle. Maybe it doesn't matter so long as that Allen bolt right there is tight. So I thought I'd throw it up here and see if you guys might be able to figure it out, so that I can get back to lathing.